The rise of portable devices and electric vehicles, EVs, has created an urgent need for safer, longer-lasting rechargeable batteries with high energy density. As these technologies become more prevalent, it's crucial to have batteries that offer better performance and enhanced safety. To meet this need, the AM4BAT Project is developing a groundbreaking all-solid-state battery technology that's a significant leap from existing solutions. Conventional lithium-ion batteries have three main components: the cathode, the anode, and the liquid electrolyte that separates them. This liquid electrolyte poses safety risks because it is flammable and limits the battery's energy density. AM4BAT solves these issues by replacing the liquid electrolyte with a solid one, enhancing stability and safety. Additionally, by removing the anode and eliminating its coating process, the design is simplified, making production cheaper and more efficient. Now, the battery consists of just two main components: the cathode and the solid electrolyte, along with an ultra-thin lithophilic foil to replace anode. This innovative foil not only saves space, but also reduces the need for scarce resources like graphite, allowing more energy to be stored in the same volume. Moreover, the main components of the battery will be produced using 3D printing, which minimizes production waste and allows for custom electrode structures tailored to specific needs, whether for energy or power applications. To learn more about the AM4BAT project, subscribe to our newsletter at am4batproject.eu/newsletter.